Guys, so today I woke up craving for yam porridge. And if you know me, you know I like to satisfy my cravings. So I just got back from the supermarket. I went to get yam, and in a few minutes I'm going to go upstairs and show you guys how I make my yam porridge. Like, you know, how I make my own simple yam porridge. I don't like too many serere when cooking. I like sharp food. So I'm going to be showing you guys. So guys, this is the bonga fillet, the bonga fish I got from the African shop, and my fine yam. See how fine this yam is looking. And so I'm going to cut the yam in cycles. For yam porridge you have to like cut the yam in cubes. So to achieve that, I'm going to first of all slice the yam in cycles, as I'm doing right now, and peel the skin, and later cut the yam like this, divide it in like 4 or 5 parts, then you cut it horizontally, not vertically. Anyhow, you understand what I'm saying. So you can see how fine the yam is looking. I'm just gonna keep cutting to get the square shape that I need, because I like my yam in cubes. Like, it's so pretty after the porridge. So I'm just gonna continue cutting, and I'm going to cut all my yam like that. See this beauty, like you can see it's so fine and pretty. So to wash my yam, I'm just gonna run it over. I'm just gonna put it on my running water and wait for the starch, like the white things, to go out. You see how clean the water is looking. That's how you know your yam is clean. And so before cooking, I always like preparing my ingredients, because I don't like wasting time in the kitchen once I start. So you can see my fish is ready, already cleaned. My yam is ready. You see how clear the water is looking. And I have my chopped onion and my chopped atarodo pepper. I have my salt to taste. I have my Maggi cube. I have my palm oil, and I have my tomatoes. Well, I like using tomatoes that is not smooth, and so you can get that in the supermarket. And I have my fish and crayfish and my bonga fish. Okay, so I'm just gonna on my gas put my yam, put the pot on the fire, and for the quantity of water, like, don't let the water be too much. You can see like it's not too much. Then for your fish, make sure you choose fish that doesn't have too many bones if you're cooking for kids. Okay, so I'm going to add my onion and my pepper, and afterwards I'm going to add my tomatoes and stir. Don't add water. Like, some people are used to rinsing the can and pouring it. It just gives you too much water. I don't do that, but you know what, this is my method. Like I said, there are no rules in my kitchen, so there are so many methods of making yam porridge. This is just my go-to method, like so easy and very fast, sharp. So after adding your tomatoes, you stir like I'm doing now. As you can see, so cute already. You stir so the tomato, the ingredients can go down. Then you add your salt to taste. For the quantity of salt, I don't know, you just have to wait and listen to your ancestors. Okay, let me be serious. Like, you add salt to taste, maybe like 1 spoon, I don't know. and then I add Maggi. I don't like breaking, like crushing my Maggi, so I add my Maggi. And I'm just gonna add my bonga fish and my crayfish. Yeah, but mind you, if you're cooking for kids, be careful the kind of dry fish you use, because you know bonga fish and their wala. You can see the tiny bones in the bonga fish. But because I'm an adult, like I can easily take the bone away when I see any bone. But be very careful because it's so dangerous. Okay, so I'm just gonna stir. Like it's so fine even without being cooked right now. So after stirring, you taste it to see that your salt, you put your salt in the right proportion and your Maggi, and then you're just gonna close it and let it boil. Wow, such goodness. Let it boil and then you add your fish. I'm adding my fish now. You know, fish can be so delicate. Like I don't want it to break. Like I hate broken fish. Oh my god. So you're just gonna add your fish and stir by the side. Add your oil. Add your oil and stir by the side so your fish isn't broken. Wow, so cool. You can see it's boiling. Like you just listen to the sound. Listen. Now you stir gently. Because mind you, your fish. And now what I do, I'm just gonna take out the fish because I can't take any chances. Like I don't want the fish. I want to eat it whole. You know. I'm just gonna take out the fish and now take our time to like stir properly, mix everything together. You see how beautiful it is, and you can see the yam cubes. Like it's so cute and gorgeous. Yeah. Wow, this is so beautiful. And so you stir and voila, your yam porridge is ready. Guys, this is the end result. You see, you can see the fish, the bonga fish and everything. So guys, yeah, you're welcome. So if you don't like wasting time in the kitchen and at the same, so guys, thank you for watching. If you don't like wasting time in the kitchen and at the same time you want to eat a healthy meal, then please subscribe and like this video, because this recipe is definitely for you. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.